let's look at some incentive provisions. So, we may want a consenter, and in the conversations we have with our clients as planners, we really want to create an environment where we can hear what's important to the client, because they're not all created, equal, and they don't all have the same priorities. And so a part of our process as planners is to understand their values and their concerns. There are, unfortunately, there are practitioners, particularly I'd say in estate planning versus other areas of law, that become very dependent on templates and really are not having dialogue with their clients about what can be done to address specific goals. And I think that's really what sets us apart from like a LegalZoom or from a paralegal document preparation company. And we should be having those conversations. So let's find out, do they want to reward what is important for the testate or the settlor, right? I really want my children to own a home because, it took me 60 years to buy my first house, and that's really all the wealth I created was from that purchase, right? It rose out of there because I had equity that I could borrow against, and so on. Or rewarding what's important for that particular beneficiary, maybe starting a business. Or overcoming a potential challenge they've had in life, addiction, dyslexia, to name a couple of examples. Or rewards for achieving what they need the most, right? You as a parent or grandparent, really want to make sure that your family is going to be able to stand on their own 2 feet. And so maybe there's some sort of a reward for them to build a skill. And then last but not least, rewarding family harmony or personal growth. And, we don't hear that too much when we're talking about drafting, but I think it's something that should be at the forefront. And maybe that's because, again, I started my career on the litigation side of estate planning and trust administration. And I do think it is just such a shame when family members are pitted against one another.